Guys, my name is JB. I hope you are all doing well. So let's get right into the intra-week analysis of gold. So previously in the previous week, as we saw that gold got its rejection from 1800 and we were waiting for some retracement level to take entry. Now as I said that I am always bullish on gold, so I am always looking for buying opportunities in gold. So my first target of buying was 1770, which was like somewhere here between 23.6 and 38.2 retracement level. My next entry level is between the golden zone, which is between 1730 to 1740, where I will make another entry. After that, my next target will be 1700, which is the 100% retracement. 1700 and 78.6% retracement level. Now, if we now look at the supports and resistances of gold, now we clearly know that 1800 is the major resistance which gold is facing right now. On support level, the Fibonacci main support, which is the golden ratio, is between 1730 to 1745. Okay, now if we try to look at the supports on technically we do not have any major support below the level of 1770. We have a major like a noisy zone, which is mainly a supply zone, okay, which is between 1750 to 1730. So if the price action does not take any support between 1740 to 1730, we can clearly expect 1700 or even 1675 levels. On 4 hour, if we move to 4-hour time frame, so let's see the moving averages as well. For moving averages, we can see that the price is way below the 200 moving average. This is the 200 moving average. This is the 200 moving average, which is at 1841. The price is way below the 24 moving average. This is the 21 moving average from which the price action got a rejection, and it recently broke the 21 moving average. Now the price is way below the 6 moving average. We can expect that in a few days the price will try to make some retracement in coming days in order to make up or match the 6-day moving average. For intra-week, small on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is already in an oversold region for intraweek, and it's lying on 4 hours for a major 200 moving average or 4-hour time frame. Also, the price broke this major down channel trend line, which was coming from 1683. Now, if the price does not sustain this trend line, then we can expect that new lows will be seen in coming weeks. Then one of the fundamental reason behind this is that the dollar price index or Dixie is in an uptrend for the past couple of days. Now, if that uptrend in the Dixie continues, we can see further lows in the gold. So for next week, what I am expecting is that the gold is going to continue its downtrend. On indicator side, if we look at the indicators, now if we look at the indicators on daily time frame, we can see that the RSI on the stochastic RSI is almost in an oversold condition. Also, the simple RSI is also in a downward momentum, and we can see in a few days it can go below 30. And for the MACD, it also has almost completed its downward correction. Now, from this point to coming week, like for the next 4 or 5 days, all the downward movement movement will be due to the momentum build. Now once the momentum is built up, it takes some time for the specific script, or like in this case gold, to break, stop, slow down, stop that momentum and then move in another direction. Right now we have a downward momentum, so though the indicators are telling us that it's in an oversold condition, but the momentum may continue for the next couple of days. On 4-hour time frame, we can see that everything is almost oversold on indicator point of view, and on hourly time frame still oversold on indicators point of view. So from here we can expect that the price may take some retracement or some reversal from the zone of 1739 to 1726. So what I am expecting in next week is that the gold is going to move to the zone of 1730 to 1740. This is going to be a critical zone for gold. From here we can take, like, I am continuously buying gold, but if someone wants to take entry, he can take entry in this zone. What I am expecting is that in coming week gold is going to like move something like this, and then we will see a breakout from this level in the upward direction, which will again move to 1800. While if the gold continues its downward momentum from this point, we can see a strong downward move towards 1700. So if you have a small account and you can only afford a few positions, then I will recommend to wait for the gold price to either test this level, like which is 1740, or wait for a pullback from 1730. If the price pull back from 1730 and it tests this again and again gets support from 1730, then you can take long position from 1730. Otherwise you will have to wait, and 1700 will be next target for long position. That is all for today. I hope this will help you. Take care. Goodbye.